Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining us at Restoration of Life Center. I want to welcome you this Sunday from 9 a.m. to 1 to fellowship with us. Come and have some fun with us. Come and share the word, come and share the spirit, and let us have fun in the Lord. Bring a friend, tell a friend to bring a friend, tell another friend to bring a friend, and let us enjoy in the presence of the Lord. So we invite you to come and listen to great teachings from our spiritual father, Bishop Dr. Omae. I believe you will be blessed like I have been blessed. Karibu sana. And for the directions, kindly look down below, and I know you won't get lost. Asanteni.